Hey guys, what is up? In today's video I'll show you how to change a CMOS battery on a MSI B450 Carbon Pro gaming motherboard. So this is a talkover video which I recorded separately, but here's what I'm gonna go step by step or what I did. So you turn off the PC, you take out the side panel, plug out everything, and then here I'm looking for the CMOS battery, which was located below the graphics card. So I have to take the graphics card out, and the connector is kind of snugly fit in between the cooler and the graphics card. So I took a screwdriver, I'm using my phone to light the I'm using my phone to light up and to see better the connections. Obviously you have to take out the screws that are holding the graphics card support bracket on the back. You take them out and you take out the power from the graphics card if it has it. Once you've done that, you can try to unplug it. There's a little notch. There was one more screw I forgot to take out. Since it's a heavy graphics card, it has 3 screws. My PC is extremely dirty because this was in winter time and the graphics card, so I didn't really clean it that much, and my room gets like really there's like so much dust in it. It's like I don't have time to clean it. As you can see, I managed to spill like I'm pretty sure it's like Coke or coffee on the motherboard, but yeah, next to it there's a battery which you now take out and put in the new one. It's kind of hard to take it out a bit. There's like a latch on it, so you have to fiddle it out. Once it's out, you can see what it says. KTS 2032 or 30, yeah, 32, which you put in. I bought a Duracell because I didn't find the other one. You can order probably the KTS one from online, but I just bought this one from the local store and it should do the job. As you can see, there's like a coffee or a Coke spill, not cocaine, like Coke the drink next to on the motherboard. Because it was like so warm in the summer, I had to take the panel off, and then I like spilled the coffee or something on the table and it dripped down. Anyways, so you take the new battery. It's like wrapped. It's like a procedure. It's like a procedure to take it out, but once you do it, you just put it in. The new battery goes the same way in as the old one, with the markings, engravings on it up top, and the connectors go down, as you'll see in a second. Here I was struggling to open the case of the battery. But I managed to do it. This is the battery, as you can see, 2032. And it has a sticker. You have to remove the sticker also. Once you remove the sticker, put the shiny part down, and like the lettering and stuff goes up. And that's about it for it. Now you put back the graphics card, plug in everything, and then boot, and it will boot into BIOS, and everything should work. Here I was cleaning my graphics card because it was too dirty, and since I took it out, I managed, like, I figured I should clean it at least a bit. As you can see, dust particles flying around. It is what it is. And then I'll clean the graphics card and I'll put it back in. There's like still dust on the fans, but I can't be asked to clean it. Clear the port if there's any dust in it. The clip, like, it didn't break, it just like unclipped itself, so yeah, I just put it back in because it's like flimsy, but it will snap back in. It's back in. It works. As you can see, it snaps on and off. It's just a holding pin, but still. And now you put a graphics card back in. And screw the GPU in. This one has 3 screws, so I'll put them all in since I won't be taking it out anymore. Wiggles, but it's fine. Plug in the 12-pin connector. It's a 3090, so yeah, it has a 12-pin. Put on the power. Put the side panel on. And let's boot it and see if it works. It should load into like a boot state towards the BIOS. And it booted. As you can see, it says detected CMOS battery has been cleared, which means it works, and it boots into a BIOS, and now you just set up the BIOS again. And that's it for this video. I'll link another video on how to set up the BIOS properly. Thank you guys for watching. See you in the next one. Bye bye.